whenever I slide.
Welcome back, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, and we got another video for you guys today. And we're going to talk about the market again because it started off really good and then it ended really good as well. So, but before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget to click the link in the description box down below so you can get your free stocks. Also, turn on that notification bell if I didn't say that already, and subscribe to the channel. I feel like I just said that, but anyway, do it. Why not? Let's just go ahead and get on into the video.
Remember the day we were struggling hard times, my mama would cry. I got
Okay, so a couple things here. Now, one thing I've noticed with the stock and crypto is crypto doesn't seem to be following the trend of stocks. So what I mean by that is stocks came down, it went up really good today, and it came down towards the end of the day, came down dramatically, okay? And crypto pretty much stayed where it was at. It never really came down dramatically or anything like that. So it does seem to look like crypto and stocks are moving on their own, like they're not moving exactly in the same pattern, if that makes any sense. Because before, if stocks were down, crypto was down. Stocks were up, crypto was up. And it should never be like that. Moving on, Adagio came down, I want to say like 20-something% today. So they came all the way back down to $7. They were up to $11.80 yesterday. So I made a lot of profit on them, as you guys saw in yesterday's video. And it was pretty good. So not too mad about that. I definitely made some profit. And I'm going to also just keep continuing to put money into Adagio. Then next, we have, a couple other things that started to do good and then just dropped. For example, Uber, I noticed at one point it was going up, it was doing really good, and then out of nowhere, it just dropped like 5%, just shot down. It was crazy. So enough talking. I just want to show you guys the public account and kind of give you guys an idea on what happened today. So let's go ahead and take a look at our public account, all right? Okay, so as you can see here, we are down $64.73. And majority of that is from Adagio, okay? So looking here, we got AMC, whatever, we don't care about that. Shiba, see Shiba is still at 25%. It's not following the trend of the stocks today. Adagio, I'm still up 10%, but like I said, they came all the way down 31%. That is insane, man. I need to put some more money into them, but they were at, this morning, they were at $10.28, and then they came all the way down to $7. Now, yesterday, like I said, they reached as high as $11.74. Like that's pretty crazy, all right? So definitely made some profit there. They dropped down quite a bit, which no big deal. We're just gonna add more money into them. And our next one that we're gonna take a look at, now my Rivian and ChargePoint, they look pretty good today. And let's take a look at our long-term one. So Apple came down. They were at 174, if I'm correct, 175. And they came all the way down to 172. So not too bad. Apple's never gonna really move fast like the other stocks. So, and then Tilray actually went positive. It went to that $7 mark. So remember a couple videos ago, I had a call for Tilray to go to $7. And look, it went to $7. So I did still make profit on it, but if I would have just waited a little bit longer, I would have made a lot more money. But it's all right, no big deal. And moving on. So then we did add some money into Walmart because Walmart dropped down today, and we want to make sure we get us a share, and we're almost there. We're at 139, they're at 136, so not too bad, not too far from their price there. What else? We added some money into Square, of course. They had a good day, started out pretty good, and then of course, like everybody else, they dropped. And let's see, PayPal was our last one. Same for them. They had a pretty decent day. and then they just dropped back down. So everybody pretty much followed that same trend. There were a couple companies that didn't. And let's just look really quick before we move on to a Robinhood. So let's see. Now, these are the only two companies that were positive today out of my like kind of play around stocks. And then my long term, the only two companies were up was Disney and Tilray. Like, so that just tells you it was a pretty bad day in the market. But that's it on the public side. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Robinhood account. Okay, so here is our Robinhood account, and over here we're down 40 bucks. So let's see what happened here. Let's see, we were at about 945. We got all the way up to like 850 bucks. So we gained 26 extra bucks there. And of course, I did take my profit. I had a call for skills to go to, I think it needed to go to 463. It needed to go to 463. And I want to say, let me go to skills really quick. Skills hit that today. They hit 473, and at that point, that's when I cashed out. I just sold it because I didn't want to take a chance of not getting that money, and that was a good thing I did it because look, everything came back down. So now I will show you guys a quick screenshot of that where it was at, and I did sell that call. As you see, I don't have it here anymore, but we still have the other one because it expires next week, so we still got time to make some money on that one. All right, now just moving on, we have PayPal here. We're only down $1. We got $69 in over here. Average is at 120, so we're doing really good on our average on this side. This is why you needed a couple brokers, okay? And then Square started off good, like I said, 115, 116. Look, 118, and then now at 106. So they dropped quite a bit, even in the aftermarket. Uber started off really good. They were on the 42 mark. They were just doing really good, and then as you see, it just boom, just in a matter of from 50 to 55, that thing just dropped to 39 bucks. It's crazy, and then it just kept going down from there. All right, that's Uber, and then Nike. Nike's just been around the same price. It's not going down too much, just kind of like Apple. It'll go down a little bit, but it's not going down a lot. And of course, Tilray were up. Sundial had a pretty solid day, but yeah. So just real quick, want to show you we were up 114%, gained an extra $16. I bought this a couple days ago, so it worked out. Overall, not a bad day. I did put my money in. I did put my $5 in. I actually put $10 in per share. So, you know, we're definitely adding that money still. So if you guys have questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment box down below. I'm only trying to help you guys. I want to help you guys build generational wealth. I'm literally showing you guys how I built this account from scratch, from 40 bucks starting of the month till where it's at now, which is 780 bucks. And if you look at my public account from the beginning, I think we were only at like 500 bucks. We're all the way up to almost 1,300. So as you can see, we are moving. We are really investing as heavy as we can, and we're keeping that $5 a day going as much as we can. Okay, so just take a look at that, and you know, like I said, it doesn't hurt to invest. It doesn't take much to invest. You just have to have a good strategy, and you want to invest in things that you purchase or invest in companies that you believe in. Okay. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Click the links in the description box down below. You will not be upset. There's tons of free stocks down there no matter where you sign up. And invite your friends and family. Like this video. Scoofy here. And I'm out.
Big smoke, big smoke. I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke.